So when starting to design the sprain jacket or any of our pieces, I like to start with something that we've done in the past so that you can kind of pull through the consistencies of little stitch details or things like that. So this was our overshirt sample that we had made up a couple of seasons ago, and then we use that as our base block to start to pull from. So just start with that CAD there and start to add more of the details, such as like a hood obviously that you're going to need in a rain jacket, and then you've got your little snap dome that starts to pull through onto here. So removing the idea of the patch pockets as I went along, and introduced a bit of a storm flap for making it a little bit more waterproof, but then preferred that, so I actually ditched the patch altogether, and then we'll just play around with stitch detailing and things like that. And then bringing in different little trims of how we finish the jacket, whether it's a snap and or just having like a clean finish like we ended up with here. Oh, there we go, kept the top one silver. And then playing around with the back and just making sure that all lines up with the pockets and that storm flap there. And then we'll turn that into, once I'm happy with the final, I'm going to turn it into something like this where we go a little bit more deeper into the internal details and with all the tape seams and kind of referencing all of the stitch detailing or binding, etc. that we're going to do. At the start, this wasn't lined, but lining was something that we added later. Also changed the cuff from the original sketches to be elasticated, so it's just got a half elasticated cuff there, which just kind of keeps it cinched in. You've got the snap buttons, which is quite nice if there's just a quick shower and you need to run out of it. And then yeah, so the fabric is quite a lightweight with a matte finish, and then it's got that waterproof membrane on the inside, and then as you can see all of the seams are taped as well, so it just increases the waterproofness of the jacket. You've got zip pockets underneath the flaps there, and then yeah, fully lined. We've been testing with these ones out in the rain in the last couple of weeks, and they're pretty stoked with how they've turned out. So these are available online now, so get involved.